Hey everyone, welcome to Tekno Bilim Adamı. Today, I've got some simple but game-changing iPhone hacks that'll completely transform the way you use your device. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about the back tap feature. Just head into Settings, go to Accessibility, then Touch, and scroll down to Back Tap. Here, you can set a double or triple tap on the back of your iPhone to open any app, take a screenshot, or even lock your phone. It's like adding an extra button to your phone, super convenient. Next up, let's look at the Control Center customization. Open Settings, go to Control Center, and add the tools you need most, like screen recording, low power mode, or quick notes. Now, all your essentials are just a swipe away. And finally, did you know you can save battery life with dark mode? Go to Settings, tap Display and Brightness, and select dark mode. It looks cool and actually saves power on OLED screens. Alright, that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the videos, share them with friends, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching Tekno Bilim Adamı.